welcome to Arjun English School. In 11th standard, chapter number 6, permutation, combination and binomial expansion. This is the second class, and for permutation session, I am going to start the second class for this chapter, and here there are two practical sums. We are going to start it one by one. In first question, they provided that 7PR is equals to 42. Now here P stands for, our question is for permutation. We have to just put a formula like NPR is equals to n factorial divided by n minus r. This is the formula. Now instead of n it is 7, P instead of r it is r. Formula for 7PR, it means 7 factorial divided by 7 minus r factorial. NPR, it means 7 factorial. In denominator, it is 7 minus r factorial. Now, value of 7PR, it is 14. Value of 7 factorial, that is in calculator 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. It comes to 5040 divided by 7 minus r factorial. Now here it is in denominator. In opposite side, it goes into numerator 7 minus r factorial is equals to 5040 divided by 42 goes into the denominator, that is 5040 divided by 42. It comes to 120. So now 7PR is equals to 120. Sorry, 7 minus r. 7 minus r factorial, it comes to 120. Now here you can see that the sign of factorial is here. We have to find the value of r. Now we have to just the knowledge of like 1 factorial is equals to 1, 2 factorial is equals to 2, 3 factorial is equals to 6, 4 factorial is equals to 24, and 5 factorial is equals to 120. So instead of 120, we can write like 5 factorial. Understood? Instead of 120, it is 5 factorial. And here it is 7 minus r factorial as it is. Now if I am removing the sign of factorial in both the sides, then it comes to 7 minus r is equals to 5. Once again, 120 comes to 5 factorial, and we are removing the sign of factorial from both the sides. So 7 minus r is equals to 5. This r goes into the opposite side, that is positive r, and this plus 5 goes into the opposite side, that is negative 5. So 7 minus 5. So r is equals to 2. Value of r comes to 2. So this kind of missing question that they can ask in the exam, that is, it is not necessary that they are always asking like 5p2, 10p3, yeah, 15p5. Okay, they can ask for the missing figure of r as well as n. So you have to be ready for this kind of questions. Now again, there is a different problem in this. Here we have to find the value of n, but it is like this way. So now we here you can see that the sign of P stands for permutation. It means we have to solve this question by using the method of permutation. Formula for NPR that we have to apply here. But now every time I am not writing this formula, I am just solving by using this formula directly. So first of all, it is n factorial. NPR means it stands for n plus 2 stands for n, P as it is, R stands for 3. So in formula you can see that in numerator it is n factorial. So I am writing here n plus 2 factorial. And in denominator it is n minus r factorial. So in denominator n minus r factorial. This is n, so n minus r is 3 factorial. So it is the numerator part. Same way we have to solve the denominator part. So in denominator n plus 1 factorial divided by n plus 1 minus 3 factorial. It is numerator part, this one, and this one is for denominator part. And answer is 10 by 7. Now, how we have to solve this? First of all, n plus 2 factorial. In denominator, it is plus 2 minus 3. So, answer is n minus 1 factorial. And here it is the denominator part, means divide and divide and divide. So reciprocal of this, and it comes into the multiplication. N plus 1 minus 3, then it comes to n minus 2 factorial divided by n plus 1 factorial. And answer is again 10 by 7. Got it? First of all, we have applied the formula, then we have solved this question, and here it is in the denominator and denominator, then reciprocal of this, and it comes to multiplication. Now, here it is n plus 2 factorial, and in denominator it is n minus 1 factorial. So, n plus 2, if it is 10 factorial, then what happens? 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 means we have to go into the descending order. So same way, I am applying this procedure here. Like here it is n plus 2 factorial, then we can write like n plus 2 in descending order, n plus 1 factorial. In denominator it is okay. Here in denominator it is n minus 1. So n plus 2, n plus 1, and n minus 1 factorial. Got it? Here first of all n plus 2, n plus 1, then n minus 1. Because in denominator it is n minus 1, stop here. Now, second one, same way, here it is n minus 2 and here it is n plus 1 factorial. So, n minus 2 as it is, and reducing this, n plus 1, then after n minus 1, n minus 2 factorial is equals to 10 by 7. Once again, in denominator it is n minus 1. So from n plus 2 we are going till n minus 1, n plus 2, n plus 1, and n minus 1, and stop here. Second side it is n minus 2 as it is. In numerator it is n plus 1, then n minus 1, and stop at n minus 2. Now I am cutting the common one, that is n minus 1 in numerator as well as denominator. N minus 2 in numerator as well as denominator. N and n plus 1 in numerator as well as denominator. So remaining part in numerator it is n plus 2. In denominator it is n minus 1 is equals to 10 by 7. Means if I am solving this and cutting all this common one, then this is the remaining one. Now cross multiplication. It means 7 multiplied by this. So 7 into n, 7n, 7 into 2, 40 is equals to. Now again cross multiply 10 into n minus 1. So now 10 into n, 10n, 10 into 1, 10. Now this minus 10 going into the opposite side, it comes to plus 10. That is 14 plus 10. And this plus 7n goes into the opposite side, so it comes to 10n minus 7n. Once again, 14 plus 10, 10n minus 7. So it comes to 24 is equals to 10 minus 7, that is 3. Therefore, n is equals to 24 by 3. And n is equals to, my final answer is 8. That's it. So here there are two sums. In one sum that we have to find the value of r, and in another sum we have to find the value of n. So we have solved both the sums. Okay, this one is quite difficult here. And I am ending this session. If you have any doubts, then please contact me. Thank you.